5 stocks to buy and hold forever. The secret to accumulating long-term wealth in a market that is always shifting is to identify equities that endure and offer steady growth. Despite the volatility of the stock market, several businesses have demonstrated tenacity, flexibility, and steady profitability over many years. These buy and hold forever stocks provide long-term stability and growth potential in addition to thriving over a range of economic cycles. These businesses, which range from diverse conglomerates like Berkshire Hathaway to tech behemoths like Apple and Microsoft, have solid foundations that make them excellent options for long-term investing. These stocks stand out as the greatest options for investors wishing to develop their portfolios consistently and safely due to a mix of market domination, innovation, and a track record of success. Knowing which stocks to keep indefinitely can be crucial if you want to succeed financially. Let's examine the top 5 equities that are suitable for long-term holding. 1. Apple AAPL, the tech giant that never goes away. Apple has continuously ranked among the world's most lucrative corporations. It has grown from a small computer company to a multinational tech giant over the last few decades, influencing sectors like entertainment and mobile computing. Apple is one of the most dependable long-term investments due to its dominance in both hardware and services, even in the face of market volatility. Customers remain closely linked to Apple's product range thanks to its ecosystem, which includes wearables, MacBooks, iPads, iPhones, and services like iCloud, Apple Music, and the App Store. This sticky ecosystem, which has more than 1.4 billion active devices worldwide, consistently brings in money. With margins significantly greater than hardware, Apple's services segment is expanding quickly and has the potential to significantly boost the company's bottom line. The corporation is a stock to own for life because of its enormous cash reserves, as well as its capacity for innovation and adaptation, with forays into industries like wearables, artificial intelligence, and healthcare. 2. Microsoft MSFT, the superpower of software and cloud. From a typical software corporation that specialized in Windows and Office products to a major force in the cloud market, Microsoft has experienced a dramatic metamorphosis in recent years. Microsoft has established itself as a major player in the cloud computing industry because to its Azure cloud platform, which directly competes with Amazon Web Services (AWS), and has grown its market share significantly. Microsoft's broad business strategy is one of the main factors making it an excellent choice for long-term investment. Microsoft's game branch, which includes the Xbox and studios like Bethesda, generates a steady income stream in addition to cloud computing. 3. Amazon AMZN, the titan of logistics and e-commerce. Amazon has made a name for itself in the logistics and e-commerce industries. With its global presence and hegemony in e-commerce, Amazon has an unmatched capacity to generate consistent revenue. One of the main factors contributing to its success is its Prime membership program, which builds a devoted clientele and offers a steady stream of revenue. Amazon has expanded into a number of other rapidly expanding industries in addition to e-commerce. One of the company's most lucrative divisions is Amazon Web Services, AWS, which provides cloud computing services and generates enormous profit margins that enable Amazon to reinvest its profits in new projects. AWS dominates the cloud market, and as more companies around the world switch to digital platforms, this revenue source is probably going to keep expanding. Its position as a major force in the global economy is further cemented by the company's commitment on growing its reach through breakthroughs in fields like logistics, artificial intelligence, streaming, and even healthcare. Amazon is still a top choice for investors wishing to purchase and hold on to their shares for the long run due to its significant market capitalization and track record of producing long-term value. 4. The best investment vehicle, Berkshire Hathaway, BRK.B. Under Warren Buffett's direction, Berkshire Hathaway is a legendary business that offers a singular investing opportunity. Berkshire Hathaway is more of a holding company than a regular firm, with stakes in a variety of industries, such as banking, utilities, consumer goods, and insurance. The corporation can withstand economic downturns and take advantage of development opportunities across multiple industries thanks to its diversified approach. Berkshire Hathaway's leadership is one of the main factors that make it an excellent long-term investment. One of the most renowned investors in history, Warren Buffett, has always shown an unmatched capacity to create lasting riches. 5. Johnson & Johnson, J&J. The healthcare powerhouse with a consistent performance history. One of the biggest and most varied healthcare corporations in the world is Johnson & Johnson. It works in several sectors, such as consumer health items, medical equipment, and medicines. Tylenol, Band-Aids, and baby care products are just a few of the company's many products, which guarantee consistent demand from a global clientele. Particularly promising is J&J's pharmaceutical section. The business has a strong therapeutic pipeline and has created effective therapies for a number of illnesses, including as cancer, autoimmune diseases, and heart problems. The demand for healthcare goods and services is predicted to rise as the world's population ages, giving Johnson & Johnson a consistent boost. The company is a great option for long-term investors because of its sound financial standing, steady production of free cash flow, and robust dividend growth. J&J stands out in the healthcare industry because it has increased and paid its dividend for decades. Johnson & Johnson's varied business model makes it a wise company. The reasons. These stocks are the greatest in the long run. The secret to long-term financial success is to invest in businesses that are leaders in their respective sectors. Over time, Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Berkshire Hathaway, and Johnson & Johnson have all shown that they can innovate, adapt, and expand. Even if each firm works in a different industry, they all have a few essential traits that make them good investments for the long run. 1. Strong market position. Each of the 5 businesses holds a leading position within their respective sectors. These companies are well established in the global economy, whether it is Amazon's e-commerce and logistics network, Microsoft's cloud services, or Apple's ecosystem of products. They are able to keep their competitive advantage over rivals thanks to their strong market position. 2. Diversification of revenue. Diversification is essential for lowering risk. While Amazon diversifies through e-commerce, cloud services, and entertainment, Microsoft makes money from software, cloud computing, and gaming. This guarantees that these businesses aren't unduly dependent on any one commodity or service. 3. Innovative leadership. These organizations have some of the top leadership teams in the industry. These executives, such as Tim Cook at Apple and Warren Buffett at Berkshire Hathaway, have demonstrated their capacity to lead their organizations through challenging economic times and seize fresh possibilities. 4. Financial strength. All of these businesses have strong cash flow, minimal debt, and excellent profit margins. In addition to enabling firms to reinvest in expansion, their financial stability offers investors security, particularly in times of market turbulence. 5. Proven track record. These businesses' demonstrated capacity to generate substantial returns is among the strongest arguments for investing in them. Long-term investors have continuously benefited from these equities, whether it is through dividend payments or share price growth. Final thoughts. Purchasing stocks with a long track record is one of the best ways to increase your wealth. With their unique advantages, Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Berkshire Hathaway, and Johnson & Johnson are all excellent choices for a long-term investing portfolio. They are equities you can buy and retain for the rest of your life because of their market domination, diverse revenue streams, sound financial standing, creative leadership, and track record. These businesses have demonstrated an amazing ability to withstand economic downturns, adjust to shifting market conditions, and create wealth for their shareholders, even though no investment is completely risk-free. These 5 equities offer some of the greatest chances for investors wishing to construct a long-term portfolio as we look to 2025 and beyond. These businesses can assist investors in building wealth and ensuring a prosperous financial future if they are patient and disciplined. Let us know in the comments what you think about the 5 stocks to buy and hold forever, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more captivating content on our YouTube channel.